Adding friends in Genshin Impact is simple. The process is the same no matter what platform you're on, but you'll both need to be on the same server. Here's a quick guide. First, you need to find your UID, which stands for User ID. It is a unique number for your account. Look at the very bottom right of your screen and you'll see your UID. You can tap the small copy icon next to it to easily copy it to your clipboard. Share this number with your friend. Now, open your friend menu. You can do this by pressing the menu button on your console controller or the escape key on PC. Next, select the friends icon. In the friends menu, go to the add friend tab. You'll see a search bar. Type in your friend's user ID here and hit search. Your friend's profile will pop up. Just tap the add friend button to send them a request. Finally, your friend needs to accept your request. They will follow the same steps to get to the friends menu, but will go to the friend request tab. They'll see your request and can accept it from there. Once they do, you are officially friends.